Doing intermittent fasting but not sure to eat during your eating window? If you're on 16/8 and want to burn fat, fuel your workouts, and feel great, this video is for you. I'll walk you through a full-day meal plan designed for fat loss, muscle retention, and all-day energy, backed by nutrition science. During your eating window, food quality matters. Here's what you want to prioritize. High protein, for muscle repair and satiety. Healthy fats, to support hormones and curb cravings. Fiber-rich carbs, for stable energy. Whole nutrient-dense foods, to reduce inflammation and improve recovery. Meal 1, this is where you break your fast. Go for grilled chicken breast or eggs with egg whites. A small portion of sweet potato or quinoa, avocado or a drizzle of olive oil, and steamed greens like spinach or broccoli. This combo gives you high-quality protein, healthy fats, and complex carbs to refuel your system spiking insulin too hard. Next, a light snack to bridge the gap to dinner. Try this. Greek yogurt or a clean protein shake, a handful of almonds or walnuts, and a small portion of berries or banana. This helps curb hunger and keeps energy steady, without crashing. Dinner should be satisfying, but still clean. Focus on salmon, lean beef, or tofu. Add a smart carb like brown rice or lentils. And don't forget roasted veggies plus a big mixed green salad with olive oil and lemon. This gives you the nutrients your body needs to recover overnight while staying in fat-burning mode. During the fasting window, hydration is key. Drink lots of water, black coffee or green tea is totally fine. And consider electrolytes, especially if you train fasted. Here's what you want to avoid. Sugary drinks, even during your eating window. Ultra-processed carbs and snacks. And binging. Intermittent fasting isn't a free pass to overeat junk. Stick with whole, nourishing foods for best results. Here's the bottom line. Intermittent fasting works best when paired with smart eating. Eat real food, prioritize protein, don't fear fats, and match your carbs to your activity level. More on training days, less on rest days. Want a printable version of this meal plan? Check the link in the description. And if this helped, give it a thumbs up, comment your favorite intermittent fasting meal, and subscribe for more science-backed fitness content.